Serial option. Open the module access door by pressing down on the locking tab at the top of the door. Slide the module into the printer. Push the module in slowly but firmly until the card is fully inserted. Place the appropriate module access door into position and push to lock. Remove the interface cable and open the module access door. Reattach and secure the interface cable to the connectivity module. Gently pull on the interface cable to remove the module from the printer. Place the appropriate module access door into position and push to lock.